everyone, thanks for stopping back in at my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the personal nutrition vitamins. So I did go ahead and order them as you see in this box above, and I've been watching them for a while. So today I want to tell you guys about my experience with the vitamins and what the process is. So step one, you go online and you take a very personal test where they're asking you about your health, your diet, your nutritional goals, and just overall goals. What stage you are in your life, what kind of things are important to you. Are you looking for immune system boosting? Do you have like any kind of actual diseases or health issues? And then they go ahead and they suggest, what vitamins are going to work best for you. So I went ahead and did that quiz, and then I got my package in the mail. So I'm going to show you guys what actually comes in the package that you'll receive in the case that you order. Another really great thing about this company is the first order that you make, you do get 50% off. So I'm going to go ahead and put my link below so that you guys can get that deal. As well as every person you refer, you get 25 bucks towards your next purchase. So I mean, that's a win-win for everybody. Also, the customer service is really, really great. They always write back right away. And they also offer like a helpline. So if you have nutritional questions or dietary questions, you're going to get a certified person answering you back about your personal questions and health. To take the assessment, head over to personanutrition.com. Here's the website I was telling you guys about where you can get started on getting your Persona Nutrition. I thought I would just go through and show you guys exactly what it looks like and just kind of cruise through their super easy to use website where they ask you detailed questions about your health and personal information so that they can create the perfect nutrition packet for your morning, afternoon, and evening. Or like I have morning and evening. During the test, which kind of feels like back to school days test, they're going to ask you about, your allergies, your goals, whether it be fitness, sleeping better, immunity, as well as your regular activity, whether you sleep well or not. And you want to make sure that you fill in your real experience, because they're going to base your answers on what they put in your packet. So make sure you are telling the truth on if you eat a lot of vegetables, whether you really are vegan, vegetarian, paleo, pescatarian, because that's how they're going to pick, what nutrition is going to work best for you. The other great thing is that they're going to ask you what medication you take. So they're going to consider what you're taking, your lifestyle, along with your diet, as well as what medication you take for what nutrition is going to work together the best for you. So make sure you keep it 100 when you're filling this out. So even there, you'll notice that I clicked yes, I'm anemic. So later on, you guys are going to see that they throw iron in my packet. So just simple stuff like that, is going to help you out later on for getting the perfect package for your health. The other great thing is you'll see up top, they're giving you 50% off your first month's order. And also, if you use my link, you'll hook me up with 50% off my next one. And it just goes like that. So like if you maybe bought a gift for your mom next too, you can use your link to get her her first month of nutrition all started off as well. And then you guys will both get 50% off your next one. So it really is great and super easy and great for traveling. So I would totally suggest it. And I'm going to show you guys later my actual packet too. here is the group of doctors that came up with which vitamins are going to go best for which people and which diets and health concerns. So we can definitely feel confident in that. And here they are, just like that. They're showing me my packet would cost me $1.85 per day. So that's pretty good when you break it down like that. And so with the ones that you see that say remove, these are the ones that they suggested. And then the ones where it says add, they're saying, if you wanted to throw in something special for yourself, we would suggest you add this. So they've given me a foundation formula group, a performance and recovery formula group. And you guys can see what's inside of it as well as the price, showing the real price as well as the half off price. Next up, hair, skin, and nail formula group. Iron support, remember I told you guys they were going to throw that in there. And strength support. You also can go through and add different vitamins that you want, and then if they work with your health, they will allow it, and they'll let you know. So now we can go ahead and check out what is in my box. So in the box you get a little packet explaining how everything works. So they're going over how you refill, how you repeat, and the recyclable products that they actually used. So the dispenser, you'll see it's all made of recycled material. So you get that packet. You also get some face masks, which are perfect for right now during COVID. So they did throw in a couple of face masks, which I thought was a nice little touch. I think probably all companies should be doing that, but shout out to Persona Nutrition for doing that. And then they also give you a personalized booklet with your name on there and the month that you ordered, which I thought was a really cute touch. And they also explain what vitamins you got in your packet, when to take them, what they look like, which is really great because sometimes you're like, okay, wait, what is this one? And also, you know, they tell you take it with water, take it with food, based on what you have in your packet. So super cute and personal. And then you also get your dispensers. I have morning and evening vitamins. Some people have morning, afternoon, and evening. Some people just have morning, some people just have evening, depending on what your health situation is. And so you get these cute little dispensers. They kind of look like a little candy dispenser with your morning and your evening or your afternoon, depending on what you have ones. Here's my other one. So let's see, what should I start with? I'll start with morning. So in my morning one, it shows what vitamins I have. Now I went ahead and added some different vitamins that I personally wanted. So they didn't actually suggest all of these, but I went ahead and picked out some more ones that I wanted to add to my cart. So I have those for the morning. And then here are my evening ones. So for people who like have a hard time sleeping, or have digestion issues or whatever it is, they have the vitamins kind of arranged and what works best for you. So like if you were taking melatonin, of course that would be in your evening packet. All right, well that's my review. So far so good. Great customer service, great deals on the actual nutrition, good bang for your buck, and also super convenient with the little packets. Like getting to take just one of these, you know, off to travel or wherever you're going, you know, you can just rip it off in the morning, put it in your packet, and you'd be all set. That part is really convenient. I like that. And then also, like I said, the container is made of course, recycled plastic, so that's always a plus. All right, and that is my review on the Persona Nutrition vitamins. If you have any questions or had a different experience, or have any feedback for me, feel free to comment below. Go ahead and subscribe and like, so I'm going to be posting lots of different nutrition and beauty videos. And go ahead and follow me at steph.com_ on Instagram. And I look forward to talking to you guys later and hearing what you think. All right, until next time.